Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the tune Billy and the Lowground on the fiddle, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one each and every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I upload a new video. As always, the timestamps will be listed below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. And for the extended version of this tutorial where I show you how to play the version of the tune I played just a minute ago with added things like ornaments and double stops, then head on over to Patreon. The link is in the description below. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. So for this one, we're in the key of C major and we begin on the G string with 2 eighth note pickup notes. So right away we had a little ascending pattern going up to the A string, and for the next phrase we stay on the A string starting with an open A. So there in that phrase we made our way back down to the G string, and this next phrase is very similar to the first phrase, so you'll probably recognize many of these notes. So notice how there we ended on a B instead of a C like we did in the first phrase, and this last phrase of the A part is almost the same as the second phrase, so you've heard all of these notes before. So now that we've gone through the whole A section, let's go ahead and play this together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3. And the form of this tune, as you may have guessed, is A, A, B, B, so you would go ahead and play that A part twice, and then moving along to this B section, we're starting on the open E string. Okay, and then ending on G on the D string. Next, we go back up to our open E with a rhythm pattern that starts the same way that the first phrase did. Once again, our next phrase starts on open E, and this one sounds very similar to the first phrase with the exception of the last couple of notes. Okay, so ending on a B there, and then the last phrase of the B section is the same as our A part ending. So these notes should be familiar to you. Alright, so now that you've learned the whole tune, let's go ahead and play this B part together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is all of Billy and the Lowground. I really hope you enjoyed learning that one. As I mentioned, if you're interested in the extended version of the tutorial where I show you how to incorporate some more fiddly ornaments and things of that nature, then definitely head on over to Patreon. And if you'd like to take a look at the sheet music, it is available in my digital sheet music library. The links to both are below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing!